that's the sand.
Beautiful in here. This is a new park. Was officially opened yesterday. Just yesterday.
Yesterday,
September 14,
September
2024.
14.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. It's so nice in here. It's like Boracay vibe, di ba? Ang
Yeah.
sand, tira mo naman ang sand.
White sand.
City of Toronto, good job for doing this.
Yeah.
So come and visit soon before the weather gets colder.
Good job, Edley. Good job.
Tapos pwede ka rin kung mag-snow dito, pwede tayo mag-sled dyan, no? I-video mo, te. Pwede tayo mag-sled dyan.
Sled. Yeah, I know eh.
Pero napaka-romantic na lugar kasi pwede kang dito. Ang ganda.
Diba?
Tumingin ng sunset. Diba?
That's why it's called Lookout.
Yeah.
You wanna take
It's
the
amazing.
moon?
Kasi nakikita mo talaga ang CN Tower everywhere you go. Saka dito pwede kayo mag-jogging.
Nagja-jogging na siya. Oh, the moon is there too. Huh? It's so pretty. Diba?
Ang sarap! Feeling ko ako nasa province.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng ambience. Feeling ko nasa province na ako. Yung parang nasa bukid ka.
Yung nga eh.
Maliwanag, te.
Maliwanag.
I'm at the top of the world! Ang sarap dito sa umaga, for sure.
Siguro.
Mag-workout
Siguro
ka
nga.
dito. Ang ganda mag-yoga.
Yeah.
Sarap. Nakaharap sa sa
Waiting for the sun.
sun. Oh my gosh, ang ganda.
Mhm.
Okay.
Oh, ayun.
Thank you, ate.
You're welcome.